morning. Today is our day 3 of the protest. We all junior residents and senior doctors and all students, we are supporting towards the solidarity for the cause. We will continue our protest till the justice is served. Then we are protesting today late evening. Further continuation of the protest, everything we will do a meeting around 3 o'clock and we will let us know.
What about emergency and OPD?
Emergency services are still continued. Then OPD services are, as a resident, we are not attending the OPD, but our consultants, they are continuing the OPDs. OPDs are running. Minimal OPDs. Minimal OPDs are running. The emergency services are still on.
Today is our third day of protest by Guard Association, Resident Doctor Association from Goa Medical College. This is in support to the students who are in RDXGOA Hospital, Kolkata. We are strongly condemning the horrifying incident which has happened in RDXGOA Hospital, which is a rape and murder of a duty doctor. This is not only against the safety of the doctor, it is also against the safety of the women. And the way the crime has been handled and how the justice is delayed is strongly being opposed by all our residents. So as a part of the nationwide strike, we are also joining hands from our Guard Association. GMC residents are also a part of the strike nationwide. This is in demand of speedy justice. Justice denied is justice delayed. Justice delayed is justice denied. So we demand immediate action against the criminals and justice for the victims.